In this tutorial, we will start from our source image as always, and we will start from the basic part when we try to compare NanoBanana option, when we try to reimagine and redesign only in elevation. So as always, you will receive this file. Everything's here will be on the same place, and on the left side I will upload by right click, load. I'll upload my source image as a second one, and let's try to do exactly the same prompt. So I'm simply selecting my prompt, selecting the text, clicking Ctrl+C, and now I'm selecting my source image with a left-click mouse, selecting Image Editor, NanoBanana Pro 2K Original, and let's do it. Reimagine the design and materials of elevation of the building. And let's hit Make a few times. So what's the idea of this prompt? What exactly I want to do? It's quite typical when, you know, the architecture is almost accepted by the client, boss, your teacher, no matter, and you want to redesign only a part of the building, like elevation design. You know, very often our architecture is limited only by elevation design, and it's difficult to imagine something new, or, you know, it's easier and faster to use AI, and AI will help you to reimagine these elevations in a few possible ways. It's the most simple option. I'll show you more advanced now in a second. And while it's generating, let's select our second prompt. The second prompt will be more precise. It's a building of our first prompt. So I am selecting it, I'm clicking Ctrl+C. Then we are selecting again our source image. I'm selecting this node. I'm pasting here Ctrl+V my prompt. So this is reimagine design, the design and materials of elevation of the building. Use only black color materials, metal and stone. Okay, and I'm hitting a few times to see few tests how it will look like. So generally it's the similar prompt as it was at the beginning, but now I try to limit it with materials. Yeah, and we can change it. Use only black color materials as a metal, for example, as a brick and wood. Yeah, so you can feel free to redefine your ideas, redefine your client, boss, teacher requirements, and it will give you a huge possibility to find creative ideas, and will speed up your workflow really fast. Of course, let's compare the source file to our elevation to see the details. And as always, it's perfect. Yeah, edges, everything is perfect. Like, I have nothing to add. Small changes inside I see. Also, I see here a small changes, the window was closed, but generally that was the point of our prompt, that we want to redesign the elevation. So that's okay. And for me, perfect result. Really amazing result. Let's see how it's with other tests. Also very good. So remember, it was a general prompt. Like, we were not putting nothing extra. It was reimagine the design and materials of elevation of the building, and now we received those results. So it's completely freedom of AI to offer you some designs. And personally, I think this one is even better than the source image. Like, for me personally, I'm really fan of dark designs. So let's compare A to B. Yeah, for me, it's much more better. Definitely, I will select a second design. And as you see, of course, edge, detail, the environment, everything is the same. Only your building materials were changed. Yeah, like even the window sections, everything is on the right place. Only materials were changed, and it looks really, really good. So yeah, let's check our more advanced prompting, where we try to explain AI what we want. We want materials. So yeah, we have exactly what we asked. We have black color materials, metal and stone. Yeah, it understands us exactly. So we have metal, we have stone on the walls. Here we have the same, and here we have the same, like similar but different. So let's check here. We prompted wood and black bricks, and yeah, we received exactly what we're looking for. And let's compare this design, of course. I think this design, this version was one of the best. Yeah, now it looks for me much more better. Like, as I mentioned, I'm a big fan of dark designs. So yeah, it looks really, really good. Like, I have nothing to add. And as you see, all details are perfectly matched. Everything is on the correct place. So nothing to add. Just save this file, use this tutorial, and use this knowledge to reimagine your ideas, your buildings. And as you see, reimagine design, and here you can just put literally anything. Like it's a basic of reimagining your design, and it's a very standard prompt when you can put any information about what bricks, what color, what wood you want to use. So you can upbuild this prompt as well. So it's only a beginning. Okay, I'll move it a little bit left and let's select more interesting prompt. It's the most simple, reimagine the architecture of the building. So now we are giving completely freedom in AI, hands or tools, I don't know how to pronounce it. And now we will receive some like crazy results. I mean, like you never know how AI will reimagine it. So yeah, we just need to put it somewhere here. Okay. Yeah, as you see on our tests, it was very strange results. We received really different stuff because AI was analyzing the environment, the image, and it's just suggesting you what and how can it look like. And here, of course, now we will discuss more advanced prompts. I think it will be in the second tutorial. And let's wait a second while it's generating. So while we were waiting, I would like also to show you more details like here. So you can generally use different prompts, and remember that this is the most easiest way and the most basic, because it's a basic tutorial. But remember to watch all our tutorial blocks until the end, and you will see how interesting and how untypical design you can create from only one image. And yeah, let's check the simple reimagine architecture of building prompt. And as you see, like it's quite interesting. Like it's giving you different ideas. Of course, some of them are quite stupid or quite like useless because it's just reimagining typical images on the internet. But yeah, it's also one of the way you can use AI to give you a freedom. So you're just simply not using Pinterest, Instagram, or Google. You try to have a dialogue with machine, and reimagine architecture of the building will give you some similar coloristic gamma mass results, like something like that, but not exactly the same as you had. And yeah, so now you know how to use simple prompts, and you know how to control your effects and reimagine your design in a few seconds with AI. So see you in next tutorial.